Hey guys, Sawyer here with Papé Machinery Ag and Turf from Donald, Oregon, but we're actually at our customer's house, the Humphreys. This is a box blade, and we're going to talk briefly about what it's used for. So you have a blade on the back here and then also on the inside. But then if you come a little bit closer, you're going to have what we call scare fires right here, and they're basically an upside down candy cane with a cutting edge point on them. So what you can do is you can drop this piece into the ground, and then as you're going forward with the tractor, you're going to scrape the ground, and you're like what they've done here is they're leveling out and putting down gravel. What you can also do with the rear blade on the back is you can push brush, or if you want to take these blades, you can lift them up and you can pull brush and make burn piles. Something else that the Humphreys have done is that they've actually scraped the grass out and made an arena. And this box blade is on the 3039R John Deere tractor, which is going to be about a 40 horse, the last two being 39. And then it's also hooked up with the iMatch Quick-Hitch, so you can back up to an easy hookup. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's Toolkit video. If you want to see more, check out these videos here and here. Please subscribe so you see more content that we're going to be putting out. If you want to follow us on our social media accounts, check out our Facebook and Instagram below. And if you want to do a favor for us, if you have any questions, please comment. We're happy to make any videos that you guys have. We'll see you next time.